KURUI Smart BMS wiring steps. Connect battery negative terminal. The protection boards begin. Terminal to the battery pack's main negative terminal. Connect signal ribbon cable. Plug in the battery pack voltage sampling balance ribbon cable. Also connect the NTC temperature probe wire and communication wire. Connect output negative terminal, the P terminal of the protection board, to the negative terminal of the load or charger. The protection board will typically power up at this point. Initial functionality can be assessed by the indicator light's illumination or flashing status. The primary wiring is now complete.